Tucked away just a short walk from Edinburgh's city centre, Dean Village feels like stepping into a forgotten storybook. Once the heart of the city's milling industry, this riverside haven is now a picturesque mix of history and charm, where ivy-covered stone buildings and winding cobbled paths whisper tales of the past. With the water of Leith flowing gently through, Dean Village is a favorite spot for visitors looking to soak in its beauty. From the striking red-bricked Wells Court to the panoramic views from Dean Bridge, there is no shortage of stunning sights. While it's no longer the quiet secret it once was, its timeless charm makes it a must-visit in Edinburgh. But beyond the postcard-perfect streets, there is a hidden treasure that many overlook: St. Bernard's Well. Nestled along the water of Leith, this fascinating landmark carries a story of mystery, healing, and elegance. The design of St. Bernard's Well is grand and classical. The building is crowned with a dome and supported by tall columns, similar to the style of ancient Roman baths. A statue of Iea, the goddess of health, stands above the well, emphasizing its connection to healing. The mineral-rich spring below was once believed to have medicinal properties, attracting Edinburgh's elite, who would sip from the well in hopes of improving their health. While the well is usually closed to the public, I was lucky enough to step inside, a rare glimpse into a place frozen in time. The first thing that catches your eye is the soft blue dome above, which looks like a night sky with golden stars and a bright moon, giving the space a quiet, dreamlike feel. Beneath it, the old tap stands as a quiet reminder of the days when people came here in search of healing. The floor is decorated with patterned tiles, worn smooth over time. Yellow and blue stained glass windows let in soft, colorful light that shifts as the sun moves, making the space feel almost magical. The walls are covered in maroon mosaics, adding warmth and richness against the cool stone. There is a peaceful feeling here, as if the place holds old secrets. Every step echoes gently, blending with the play of light and color, creating a quiet, timeless atmosphere. Though the days of people drinking from the well are long gone, its legacy lives on as one of Edinburgh's most intriguing hidden gems. Many pass by without realizing what lies behind the gates, but those who step inside are transported back to a time when natural remedies and classical architecture intertwined. Dean Village isn't just a scenic escape, it's a place where history lingers in every corner. Standing quietly by the water of Leith, St. Bernard's Well is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered.